showing of the pictures of the ladies. Yeah, on one page, and somebody was saying, if there is a law, any human right and could be to me, the ladies can sue.
Of course.
I think that they can sue because you are infringing on their privacy.
And it's going to cost
everybody have their private life. Everybody have their private life.
Yeah.
Obi o Ghana hebia di boni wosumase. And it for you to bring these ladies' pictures to the public. The oye adwuma wo airport. The oye adwuma wo ha. The oye adwuma wo ha. Or kwa adwuma ma, what are her colleagues going to see about the person? It is for honorable to show these pictures. No, in fact, what dear and Chay.
Now, one lady swa is here ne ho aba asem eye Benedict Agafa. Na Benedict Agafa kene Japan eboni din one eye Adra Airport trendy ye ne ade. Na sa Agafa oye actress ewo Ghana ha say. Abani say no, do you think so also is going to go a long way to hurt her and harm her? Because I know pay no wabe posti videos be or say if anything sema kini Japan can ono di onte or posti back on Instagram na also so no di sikani ade na opa me no ka say or the back so to Instagram sisia or say honam sardine die eno ne me it no we na all can you think say this lady no other ladies are here Kini Japan exposure. Do you think they should follow the same suit of this actress? So ombe ignore Kini Japan completely and I say ombe bana ebia ombe timini women rights biana bibia kasana ye became bia mom because mere any show ni pictures TV so sir I don't know how I'm going to take it. I don't know.
Sure, exactly. This showing of pictures is really going to break relationships. It's really going to spoil a whole lot of things for these ladies. You understand? There was a and said, you can't cry. You don't need to even respond.
Yeah.
You don't need to even bother yourself.
Yeah.
You don't need to even do anything. Said,
I see.
So you have to make sure that if indeed why must you worry? You don't need to worry. But showing of their pictures, and a lot of them might be in a relationship. Say me, and I'm a sorry, and I'm who say me a year, and I'm a girlfriend, I'm an entity. The picture that one said Bishop will be in Medino. Sabe, Alejo, I will not feel happy. Even Christ lady no meaning share your uncanny past life and tremia. The trust in the marriage or in the relationship will be doubted. You understand?
Yes.
And in Benedict Agafa say no crow, she should live her life. And if she thinks that it is defamatory of character now also take it to the law court, she can go ahead and do it. But then she shouldn't bother. And then let me remind you, before Honorable brought these pictures, he alleged, he said, Pamela Watara Krano, Bishop Wedbinim, Afano. What I Amano. But the lady came out and said she's even renting and rent a time ahead. So all these things, information and comfort them Honorable, no mess Sereno. So whenever he hears certain things, onto the boasi. The fact is, no be more problem and no more peace, And she said, in same be on Baba catching Biano, no correct. A day it be your time, and I will say it.
Now, answer a major wakono, say, Nipa Bakwa or no expose, no say TV up next, hey, Agrada. Do you think, say, Agrada, so you so there, me sure or warm me up or so, or if you'll be physically Japan boot for boot. Sana, okay, do you think, say, Agrada should just shut up now, Umiana no, na adiwi, embassy in trimmer, my phone, no picture, embe two screens, and I say, also on take action on chess, say Bishop Obinim, now waiting to me, I'm sorry, in Tiawa, media meet my face super. Agrada is what do you think about it?
Adeba was Ghana for sending so say agada na won some we de enam wi enframa mu idea big asrede any new to the public you understand and ko be pray on radio or better in Shire FM Adom FM all these radio stations na no le won say so bringing her out to expose her out and actually to me it do not cause any impact.
Okay.
Conform person they will go there. Conform person will be the master. They will go. No matter what you do, one more person will call on almost beko. Let me tell you, Isabe. Many me so no. It mean call conform. Me call so for be one more maza. Me call me osha with them. Also munyanko pon ba brabotlenia. Bibia be ko ye dia ma. And if say one about Agada and next person on his list, Agada should just keep quiet and then do her things. Or make sure say if anything comes, she will not come and respond. Because or with TV station, honorable Japan's with TV station, you know, they are going to face what they are there. They are going to face what they are here.
Okay.
At this time, your woman is here. No, you are not abandoning here. And one thing, let's say one number can be Japan and say, yes, sir, almost Emra. Almost Emra. Obin is on Casabio. Florence is on Casabio. The Wayana pictures or the Abani audio so Abu Bonner one the other. Sabe omo mbeje di ni beje di omo munjindi so nya dai enjindi
be me kra no me feel say we one way or the other kra na be bo bi ni because e be man popularity akọ surprise o hwe ndra say the whole Ghana brochi for bia e hwe expose yi bi ono nga so be so ye popular na yes man ye popularity no it will help him in a way
adia ba ko on me nua me ntwa no adia ba ko ma share ni so anytime bia obi ni ndi be conform no e wo se bibisi
na some page
na kwa ni ndi inside page e was the dia
master di pa
anytime bia obi ni ndi be conform on se na ejinamu enjiro obi ni obo reverend obofo na ba asam na koda ye no na so mu nyina nyidin and another one I had as a pigga. The other one about me say, the men call again. So be him I had in it Yagana Mra on Fanny Family person. Na sao expose no one the idea aircon. It didn't want a bono and need a beketua. The best sereno. The best sereno. Onabo Akuma Esoria. Attend the brave coso. You move a break to the chair, yes, Reno, Siano, Tia Sereno. The same be brave. Expose, no. Every panicho. Untraso Maye. May you inquire COVID-19, ye be fasua, a be free, a man. May be borders na according to instance, 70 semi a picture. Yes, be brave.
Okay. David, is that David Meda was a partner? I don't know me. So who team to this point will be out team be see information many say I think say or more can say lockdown no mesa assign you beam. That is what I'm hearing. Almost be for
this follow me. Our WhatsApp so. Any say every information be medical status be in less than 2 or 3 days. Now, President Abe announced it. We have people that they talk to us, they tell us to plan our lives. Then one the other. As we speak now, government is meeting with all stakeholders, the clergy, the doctors, the transport union and stuff. And until the other boy, man, and Omade, but young say every and ya kono. Lockdown, the same about with straight curfew.
Yeah.
And then one. I know, sir, na complain na cost say come dey no o man panyin pese e ba bontin be ye adwuma na yes kato nuanu kogu fie na tese o de lockdown ne sa be yere ye sa na me hu no
sa pepe na me so meti e say we dey be total lockdown the whole country for maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks more. But whichever the way be it will depend say cases na be koso na enkosora na we'll see what will happen. Ewo ye man Ghana. You know Mr. David dey better wase na bibie ni
more
updates.
Na men sign Kansas you say me sremo me nim bishop obi nim me nim honorable Canadian Japan me share omumu biada but looking at what is going on no any evidence are no you no man pictures are about abonteno and the entry and in same recordings are not more on with TV na show and then what they know people can duct teeth because me duct teeth be brave we in the technology world into yesterday honorable and far obi nim born in your day and channel na unkasoma ye ya wadaro masabe akwala ne panyi bi asem na panyi akwala ne dibem kura na wa akwala no ya be mo apapanyi no achew to obi ni makasa oni TV so pa achew a honorable ma itu nkotwe de chere man.
Okay me da se pa se onya bra oni atwetwe nkomo
me so me da se pa me nya
na misha bye.
Abia ba ko a me de mani ato fom e wo saa nsem ya e kwaso bishop ne wona bontem empanyefo bebre ya ne wona bola kasa o ana wona bo so won kasa bi o
yeah
so panyin Ransford obin e ba semi mu ana wo so won kasa bi but enam de oba ne be kan ye no ene kwatwetwe sanse mu ina ba e eninti se wona bo betena TV so now in this era of COVID-19 no ekoyi yesa ensensemu ya in fact emwayan yes erade fa no so eboa emiehu eniema funu bi a ebimu asofo bi mu eye ni sumase
okay
balade ba ko wo se Ghana asofo di tu omo for ne se de atukwado obi ni mu bitimi atu obi a nti obi a hwe no hu yi and said the honorable Becca and say yanokore say yanokore ebema say asofo ni bi yankofo bi papa omu be jai because that should be no obi a waboa na ma ko ha dayama no obi a wama ne sika pen obekọ no obi akodi hu nkomo o asem kitu abi si pe ye ba be ka so asumasi ene ne eda asumasi ene ne twempena na ye di nkomo bi wo page na me ka se ye nyina ye nyini no ni ane obedu on ma ye very free pa man ko for one change na ni se one no ye dey
yeah
ye biribi but between you and your ban na bibi anya dey enemy kem. My greatest problem with this expose, it is my opinion, and it said honorable issue pictures of the ladies. He could have stated this fact without showing the ladies. Just imagine, Senka, honorable show video, and I'm a year amenity, and I say, oh, year one entity. What's it to be on entity? Oh, mammy, be a winning so, mammy, no, and on the picture bed there TV show. A dear uncle for Becca. Sister, I said, Kitty, almost man, almost school. Hey, oh, mammy, who would TV so will be named it's a stigma which is going to affect the children of these ladies, affect the relationship of these ladies. Honorable could have stated his case without showing the pictures of these so-called ladies. And anybody, you need to say now, the sexy don't obey allegation. Say, Honorable Canadian Japan, and then NPP Mumpe, you will be more Bob Hamonko, Debbie Dangwa.
Yes.
Audios about Bontain, pictures about Bontain.
Yeah.
So why don't we also believe with that and conclude that indeed they are black and can no correct? People can Photoshop and do a whole lot of things. Obi bet me ni obi a create WhatsApp chat, no they be blackmail obi. Obi bet me aye bibi e wo suma se na we ye ni dia akoshe obi na fa twetwe nsem bebre ba. Best say one aboso omo the information na bre no. Onwu say either say omo boa no ana say e yotanwu na rakwa na omo tan kodo obi ni. Because the air course nyina any expose nyina is aim at one thing, to expose fake pastors. To expose people who are using the name of God to dupe people in Ghana.
Yeah.
It is a good cause.